Hey YouTube, XX Truck and 93XX here, and here's the Echo srm-210 cylinder, the jug, right there. Yes, you can see it. Sweet. That is the exhaust port. Look at all the carbon built up around there. Now that can also be because they're running too much oil in the gas, and that can build up and then fall in here and scratch up your cylinder, or it can jam your rings. But yeah, that's how. Look how much of that crap's in there. And that's. I mean, this cylinder doesn't look that bad. The piston, I'm not sure. Get time to wash, clean it up, but shouldn't look scored, but it's really carbon-y. The piston ring looks like garbage. Not sure. Let me know what you think about it. Rings wouldn't be that much money. They'd be pretty cheap. Well, see you guys later.